Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So how you can map your network drive. So how we can do that? First of all, we go to another desktop. Okay, so here we have a drive. You can see we have a drive. This is a drive. Okay, so we have shared this drive. Okay, so just right click. You can right click on this drive and go to properties. Then you can see the sharing and go to advanced sharing, check this option and click ok and apply. Okay, also you can change the permission from here. Okay, just like I allow full permission. Okay, apply and okay. Okay, and close. And then you have to see, you can make another folder from in here. Okay, and also you have to check some settings, just like go to start bar and search here sharing, advanced setting. Okay, when you go to the sharing advanced settings, you can see I have enabled both of settings. So you have to enable both of settings, network discovery and file and printer sharing. Okay, then you have to go to other machine. Okay, I'm in the other machine here. So just open the file explorer. Now you can see I have only C drive. Okay, so I want to map a drive. So how I can do that? Let's click here in three dot, and you go to the map network drive. Okay, click on map network drive. Here you can select a folder. Just I'll select the F folder here. Okay, enter and check this option. Okay, connect using different credential and put the username, put the path. Okay, just path, you can put your IP or you can put your जो है your host name. Okay, so I put my IP, my host name. Okay, so my PC. Before you put your host name, you have to add two backspace. Okay, here and click F, then finish. And now you can see I have mapped the drive here. Okay, I can show you on the display here, that you can see the this is the drive we have shared. Okay, so we connect with the shared drive. So that's it for it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, and thank you for being here. Bye.